Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you remove TikTok watermark. So let's just continue to TikTok app. Now in the TikTok app, you can see in the bottom right your profile option. Just click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, here you can see your posted videos here. Just click on a video. Now you can see in the right three dot option. Just click on the three dot option. After clicking on the three dot option, here you can see in the middle so many social platforms. You can see the very first one, copy link. Just click on it. So after the link is copied, now just go to Google. Here you need to search for TikTok watermark remover. After searching for it, now just go to any website. I'm going to the first one. Here you can see a search bar. Just paste your link here. Now click on download. Here you can see the very first one without watermark. Just click on it. You can see it is downloading. Now click on open. Now you can see the video is without watermark. So guys, this is how can you remove watermark from TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.